Most people have heard of Tai Chi, but not many people realize that Tai Chi is an internal martial art. Internal martial arts focus on the cultivation of internal energy. The practice of Tai Chi is a practice of self-awareness, mindfulness, harmony, relaxation, and balance. It involves circular and spiraling movements that align with the natural and intuitive motion of the body. It is a practice designed to facilitate the flow of Qi within the body. Qi is the life force energy that flows through all of existence. It is the unseen force that binds all life in all expressions. Where there is no Qi, there is no life. Internal arts focus on what is going on inside you, and what is going on inside you is nothing short of incredible. It has been said that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. I think that describes Qi quite well. Sometimes steady, sometimes unstable. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. Sometimes you are energized, sometimes you're wiped out. But life doesn't have to be a roller coaster all the time. Where there is sound, there must be silence. Where there is movement, there must be stillness. Where there is agitation, there must be peace. The flowing and relaxing movements of Tai Chi restore balance to the meridian network of the body, a series of energy channels which over time tend to become excessive or deficient, resulting in decreased vitality and ill health. The practice of Tai Chi corrects these imbalances, restores vitality, and lays the foundation for inner peace. This is the journey that is Tai Chi. A journey to the very center of your being. An adventure into the unknown and unexplored reality of your inner world. The awakening of a renewed sense of self. A step in the direction of self-care and self-healing. The cultivation of presence, and the fusion of mind and body into one. Movement within movement. Stillness in motion. The supreme ultimate. Tai Chi is the gift that keeps on giving. A continuous conversation with ourselves on a cellular level. Tai Chi is about learning to balance internal and external. Hardness and softness. The heart and the mind. The development of new perspectives and a shift in consciousness. Tai Chi isn't just another way to move the body, it is a way to move inside the body. A new way to experience yourself, fully, totally, and completely.